Hello, Derby residents. I'm here to talk with you about something that affects each and every one of us, our city's future. On November 7th, you will have the opportunity to vote for an important local sales tax election regarding the 2025 Derby difference sales tax. The funds generated from the 1-cent Derby difference sales tax will be dedicated to three vital areas: street maintenance, parks, and public safety. A sales tax is not new. Derby has had a half-cent sales tax for over 25 years. The City Council selected these areas for sales tax funding based upon the results from a community survey conducted in early 2023. These were the top priorities. The sales tax will pave the way for safer, more effective streets, updated parks you and your family enjoy, and give first responders the tools they need to keep us safe. It will do all these things while reducing the property tax burden felt by Derby residents. Derby isn't a bedroom community anymore. 6,000 people come here to work every day. Visitors who come for dining, shopping, medical services, and more. Nearly 30% of Derby's sales tax revenue comes from people who live outside our city. Those visitors drive on our streets and use our parks. The sales tax will help those visitors share in the cost of maintaining those items. The Derby difference will allow us to invest in our quality of life so Derby can thrive well into the future. Learn more about the ballot question at derbydifference.com or call City Hall at 316-788-1519 with questions. Let your voices be heard at the polls on Tuesday, November 7th.